Hi everybody, and welcome to 3Dsurvey tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the volume. To calculate volume, we must first create a new regular grid mesh. The second thing we need to do is select the area from which we want to calculate our volume. To do it, we click the Select button found under Polygon Selection. Then we circle the area we want to select with the left mouse clicks while confirming our decision with the right mouse click. You will see that the selected area will change the color. In case we have circled too big of an area, we can always click Deselect and repeat the same process. We can also click Clear and just deselect everything. When we are happy with our selection, we click the Calculate Volume button found under Tools. Here, we must choose two things. As the initial surface, we choose Interpolate Surface, and as final surface, we choose our DSM. As a tip, you should have the desired DSM open before clicking the Calculate Volume button, as the program will auto-select it and you won't have to bother selecting it from the drop-down menu. Nevertheless, you must make sure that your desired DSM is the only mesh open in the back. After selecting both surfaces, you click from the Current Selection button and your volume will be calculated. Now we can see the volume results window has popped up and we can see our cut, fill, total, 3D area and 2D area values. What we can also do here is name the volume. Don't worry, we'll be able to check these values whenever we want as the volume is saved in the Volume tab. Now let's close the window by clicking OK. You'll be able to see your new volume on the screen. Now let's move to the Volume tab. Under the total results, you will see the fill and cut values and also the total value, meaning the fill and cut value combined for all the selected volumes combined. You will also be able to see the 3D area and 2D area values for all the selected volumes combined. If you want to rename a volume, you must double-click their name in the list of volumes, type in the desired name, and click Enter. To delete a volume, you first need to select it by checking the box next to it, and then click the Delete button, confirming the action by clicking Yes. You can also delete more volumes at once. In that case, you select all the volumes you want to delete and then click the Delete button. The program will ask you to confirm the deleting of every volume separately, but if you know that you have selected the right ones, just click Yes to all and they will all be deleted. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can check out the 3Dsurvey forum or write us on the support email. You can also check out the advanced volume calculation video on our YouTube channel, where we go over all the alternatives for volume calculation to get the best results in more specific cases. Thank you for watching and see you next time.